It's Chris from Edencraft here. We're just giving you a run through on our 6 metre offshore. It's just ready for delivery for our very good friend and new Edencraft family member, Pat. So I'll just give you a bit of a run through of the boat. Got all our custom stainless steel work on it. As you can see, bimini, clears, bow rail, custom snapper racks for Pat, which have come up absolutely beautiful. We've got the GX2 Lone Star winch fitted to it, 12-inch Simrad, vessel view for the Mercury. As you come around the back here, you can obviously see we've got the big donk on it. It's the 300 Verado. We took it out for a test run this morning. We got 48 knots out of it. Ran absolutely beautiful. Threw it into the corners at about 40 knots and it was like a train on the tracks. Didn't miss a beat, so we're really wrapped with the performance of the vessel. I know Pat's going to have an absolute ball with it when he gets into it. Can't wait to see the look on his face when he starts to run through and have a bit of fun with it. Pat's gone for the 3D structure scan for one of his transducers. He's also got a 1 kilowatt high wide transducer in it as well. Got a Lenco trim tabs, dive door. As you can see, if you have a look inside the boat, Pat's gone for a different setup with his seats here. On the driver's side, he's got the single seat box, and on the passenger side, he's got our step-down seat box as well. Just adds a lot of storage room into the vessel, and I think he'll be really happy with the look of it as well. So, as you move forward, come around the front, obviously we've got the big Edencraft sticker on the side. It sets it off really nicely. Gives it a beautiful look out on the water, and you know, it makes it look like an absolute dream boat. So, move around the front, you can see all our custom stainless work here blinging in the sun. Bow sprits, anchor, bow rail, everything looks amazing. Everything down to our custom wind deflectors. They're made in-house, and our stainless guy does an absolute ripper of a job. So, yeah, that's it. We're just about to deliver it to Paddy. Get him in it, get him out on the water. For everyone that doesn't know, Sunday the 18th, this Sunday, we've got our family open day down at Limeburners to start with. All vessels are coming down. We're going to have a huge range there, so everything from 565, 6 metres, platinums and classic formulas. We're hoping to get a lot of boats down there, a lot of guys come down, bring their families. After they've been on the water, we're coming back to the Edencraft compound. We're going to have a food, jumping castle, lots of fun, lots of prizes, and we hope to see everyone down here. Hope everyone can make it. So come on down, we'll see you on Sunday.